So this competition is the SkillsUSA competition that's utilized the Core Plus curriculum that is available. The curriculum was designed to really fit our industry as a whole, to not only help our manufacturing needs in the future, but also our suppliers. When we started this program, we really identified what manufacturing programs were still in existence in the state of Washington, and then who wanted to partner with us specifically on this Core Plus aerospace journey. And it started out with a few schools that were very interested, and it has grown from there. And currently we are at 40 partners, and we're looking to expand that.
The need for skilled manufacturers is off the charts. It's more than I've ever seen in my entire career. Really getting those folks started is important. It's one of those type of things that introduces technologies, introduces craftsmanships, the right education methods and approaches, and really arm our young men and women with the tools that they need to be successful right as they come out of high school and into the workforce.
The skills that are applying today is the ability to follow a set of instructions, not just the critical measurement and layout, but being able to see a set of plans, be able to follow this set of plans, and then utilize these aerospace skills to assemble to a very high standard.
I would advise that if you are planning to compete, to really hone your skill and dedicate some time to this, because it is more of an art form in a sense when you really get into it. Once you get your flow, it just comes like second nature and you have fun while you do it.
To have that ability makes me feel amazing because I'm able to know what I'm doing going entry level and have more skill than most people would have. So at my age, I know more and I'm willing to keep going.
I think right now my future is really solid. I don't have any doubts anymore. I think I know what I need to do, and I'm executing it very well, especially with the help of all these people here.
From my mock interview, I learned plenty of basic interviewing tips that would prepare me for like a real-life interview at Boeing.
So after my students successfully graduate from my program, they have the opportunity to directly enter the workforce. They can go to a 2-year or 4-year technical college or even apprenticeships. They can go directly into small machine shops, large aerospace manufacturing companies, or the local colleges or colleges across the country, maybe even the world.
The foundation of transferring something from raw material into a finished good that people will use is part of what makes this economy hum. The people that are going through this process are at the cutting edge of a very large and significant future in manufacturing in the United States.
After high school, I want to be able to come here right after I graduate. I'm using this experience to be able to come to this job and be able to know what I'm doing and push myself more.
With this Core Plus program, it really helps for a lot of companies, not only Boeing, saying, hey, I have a lot of this training experience going on. I have a big step up over other applicants that usually apply. With the help of the Core Plus program and all of these people that I'm working with, I think they've really set me up to have a great future in my life.